Okay, number 3, we're solving for x. So I'm going to go through the same steps we've been doing. So step 1, we want to find the least common denominator. Okay, and since these are nothing the same, I have negative 7x minus 10, and we're going to multiply that by negative 2x minus 4. When they're very different, we just multiply them. And then our second step is to find our restrictions. So that's what x cannot equal. So we take each denominator and we set it equal to 0 and solve. Okay, so I have plus 10 so x cannot equal negative 10 over 7. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, add 4 to both sides, divide by negative 2. This simplifies to negative 2. So x cannot equal negative 2 or negative 10 over 7. If we put that here in for x, we'll get a 0 on the denominator, and that is bad. Okay? I'm going to do step 3 over here. This is where we're going to multiply both sides by our least common denominator. So I'm going to take negative 7x minus 10 times negative 2x minus 4, and we're going to multiply it by negative 3 over negative 7x minus 10, and we're going to multiply it by over here too. So this is going to both of these, both sides. Oops, parentheses should go. So what this does is it cancels here and here, but we still would have on both. So I'll write it out. On the top I have negative 3, and then I have both of these factors. And then I still have over the negative 7x minus 10. And I have the negative 6, and then I have both of these factors. So when we multiply, these do cancel out, but we do have these other factors left over. So I still have negative 3 times negative 2x minus 4. And I have negative 6 times negative 7x minus 10. Okay, so now we're going to solve. Now we're on to step 4. So I'm going to distribute on both sides and then get x by itself. So negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. 3 times 4 negatives is positive. Negative times a negative, 42x plus 60. So all those negatives became positive. Now we're going to get x by itself. Okay, so I'm going to bring this 6x over here. So I still have 12, and then 42 minus 6 is 36. Oh, x. Almost forgot that. Minus 60 on both sides. So I have 12 minus 60 is negative 48. Equals 36x, and then divide both sides by 36. So negative 48 divided by 36. And I'm just going to put it in my calculator and have it reduce it from negative 4/3. Okay, so that is not one of our restricted. But step 5 says we need to check it. Okay, so I'm going to type in my original equation, but for x, I'm going to put negative 4/3. There's a lot of parentheses in there. Okay, that's my left-hand side. Right-hand side now. Negative 6 divided by negative 2x, negative 4/3. Oops. Minus 4. Something is off here. Pretty much just how I typed it. Too many parentheses. So 4.5, 4.5. We have the same on the left and the same on the right. So that means that that is our answer. So you would type in -4/3.